Hello, I am Paula Garcia and I am a child developmental specialist focusing on the ages between 0 and 6 years of age. This is the learning world, and this is a place for educators, childcare providers, and parents to come and learn about child development and tricks and tips, and also problems in the system that might be affecting our child's development as well, and how we as educators and parents can be advocates for our kids so that they grow up in an optimal learning environment. I do focus on children in the general ed population. I don't specialize with kids with certain disabilities like autism. However, I can provide tricks and tips for kids with disabilities like ADHD. My life's focus is to learn about how to create the most optimal learning environment for our children. So if you ever have any ideas or any questions that you feel that I can answer, you can just drop a comment in the section below so I can give you the answer to your question. And if you feel like these videos can help anyone you know, a teacher, an aunt, a grandmother, please share this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Thank you so much.